All right, round two here. Church of Assumption Catholic. You can kind of see that Superman sign over there. That's where that. Up there right now, flags up there. That's when this church made them build. Their idea to get them across. So here we are. Over the other end. Work my way back. There's some lots of stuff here. 1984 to 2021. So they actually are newer ones. Served his country, U.S. Army, August 15th, 1930. So these are more newer ones. So they got some room here to build. You can see. Pretty soon it'll be full. Paul is still alive. David died. Look, these are not cheap. What's that? 2019. Ooh. 2019, 2021 Carol Lowell. Young man. 79, 2021. I wonder if they both died together. Let me see. He died 213. He must have been in a car accident or something. Because he died 215. He went first, so got my right, so. They're brothers probably, so. Heck of a. That's not cheap. Goodness. I like that. I like the cross. It's kind of cool. Very simple. Very nice. This is kind of a cool thing over here. I know some people do celebrity ones. There's that one comedian that's buried up in up in Roseville. He got buried here. He recently died. So all kinds of fun stuff here. Work away over here. Mine's going to say hatched on this date and tipped over. Stopped breathing. Curtis, they're both still alive. Both 52, still married, waiting for to go in the ground. Like horses. Timothy James. Costs a lot of money for that stuff, man. They're just waiting, going in the ground, both alive. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's Spanish. Very nice. Not cheap. But I guess. Gene's still alive. Marvin's down the road. Yeah. 2016. There's Peter and Joette still alive. They're right here. It doesn't matter if we're not. We're right here. We're in the ground. So they probably have room over here too as well. Flowers. Jackson, still alive. Still alive. Step around all this. Mary Lou Anderson over there, still alive. I like that when you can sit down and pay respects. She went first. There's that one in where is that? Boston. It's really old cemetery. It's kind of cool. This is kind of cool. Look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Not cheap at all. Those big bad boys. U.S. Army, Korea, the Forgotten War. In Spanish. Kind of a Yeah, I like this. You can August 13th, 1943, April 1st, 2020, April Fools, huh? So yeah, you can sit on here and you can talk with a person right here. I love these things. They're really kind of cool. You can sit in here and talk to Grandpa, Grandma, right? World War II. Osgood, 1926. Matthews, he passed. Barb still alive. Got another little bench. You can sit down and kill some time and talk to that person. Come and have lunch. Mary Lou is still alive. Lee is gone to heaven. February 18th. Kind of cool right here, like this, how this kind of goes around like this. You can put fake or real plants, doesn't really matter. Rodriguez, it's in Spanish, but still nice. Anyways, guys, we'll end it right about here. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one, all right? Oh, it's this. Look at that. Bet you this thing whips around when it's windy as hell. But anyways, guys, on the next video, on the 6th day of April, 2024.